Hi, I'm Rahul and I'll be giving you a quick demo of our Shuka model, which directly takes in audio as input and tries to generate a response in English. So let me ask the first question now. क्या आप मुझे बबल सॉर्ट के बारे में कुछ बता सकते हैं? As you can see, it understood my question and has started answering quite quickly, if you noticed. So this is the main advantage of audio language models. They don't need an intermediate speech recognition step, which makes the turnaround time much faster. So the answer is quite detailed. It goes through the iterations and so on. Okay, it looks quite good. Let me prod it a bit further. इस एल्गोरिथम को पाइथन में implement कीजिए प्लीज. Okay. Now it goes on to write code and okay, it's also giving us example usage and some explanation of what the code does and so on. Okay. We can also see the conversation history here, which is helpful because we can better understand what the context to the model is and so on, which might come in handy, right? So let us now ask another question, but in a different language, right? To see if it can handle multiple languages in a single conversation. ಈ ಅಲ್ಗಾರಿದಮ್ನ C++ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೀರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. Okay, it seems to have understood and is proceeding to rewrite the code. Yeah, this can be quite powerful since it removes much of the pre-processing we need to do for voice interfaces, right? Like language identification, etc. before we pass the inputs to the language model. Okay, so it looks like it has rewritten it correctly. So let's move on to ask a question in English this time. Can you make this code recursive? Okay. So it goes on to do that. So another advantage of this model and our approach in general is that we only fine tune a small portion of this whole network, right? So we do not touch the language model specific weights, which means that we can easily swap the language model out to a stronger model in the future, right? So, okay, it seems to have finished. And finally, let me ask about the complexity of this algorithm. ಇದರ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. Okay, it's giving some details about the space complexity, time complexity, and so on, which is good. And yeah, looks okay. All right, so that was Shuka, our new open source audio LM, which can understand 10 Indic languages and is available for you to try out on Hugging Face. Thank you.